I'm going to show you my 10-minute makeup routine. So I am going to show you the thing right now. Bye. Hi, I'm doing time-lapse mode, so yeah, it's a little bit fast. So I'm starting out with a base, and I'm going to add eyeshadow. First I'm putting on primer, eyeshadow, and then I'm going to do my concealer, and then I do my lips. Okay, so that was actually less than 10 minutes because I set my alarm for 11, or my timer for 11 minutes, and it took about a minute to get to my camera app and get situated and stuff. So yeah, it actually took less time, and here are the results. And so I like it. Bye guys, see you next time. Hope you liked this 7-minute tutorial or something like that. I don't know, but I will post it in the title. Yeah.